Hey, Matt Long, Realtor here. Another walkthrough open house. This home is in the premier home community, luxury home setting of Grand Oaks Manor. Beautiful. This home has several upgrades. I take a look there. I do have a drive-through tour of Grand Oaks Manor on YouTube if you want to go and check that out. We're going to start out inside here. So this home is modeled in this neighborhood. This is called the Willow 2. The Willow, specifically the Willow 2, is one of my favorite models in this area. The builder, as you'll see as we go through the house, does a great job. This home design has actually won multiple awards. So you can see this is a Willow 2. You can also check on YouTube as well and the other videos for walk through and see the Willow. It's similar but yet different. So this one, as you see here, we're standing in, would be the living, dining, kitchen. It's all open, which is considered a true open concept. Generally the breakdown, you got the kitchen, you see the dining area here above the chandelier, and then you have the living area over here. A lot of has hookups for TV already. So and what we're going to do is we're starting here, and I'm going to go to the first two of 4 bedrooms. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom. So just off to the left here, again, you see a lot of quality design here with the sliding barn door. This is bedroom 1. A lot of times it's set up as a study or an office in some of the models and people that I've seen that have purchased these. It's a decent size bedroom. It's the smallest of the bedrooms. As we head down the hallway here, we do have a linen closet right away here. Again, with the 12-foot ceilings that this home has, that is extended into the closets. So that's always a huge plus. This particular listing has upgraded, added in a shower and no bathtub. But you see this beautiful stone is matched throughout the house. Here we are in bedroom number 2. It is slightly bigger. Again, at the front of the house. The nice things about all the split plans with this builder is they really do give you a sense to where one part of the guest room or the front bedroom, or you can literally have it so it's more segmented, more private. So if you had, especially in this area, you have sometimes an elderly parent or a family or relative or somebody that lives with you. This way they can have their area. So you have bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and bathroom 1. Again, I'm going to come back around here. We're going to go into the kitchen. It's beautiful. Beautiful pantry here that we have. Nice big pantry. Look at that. There's enough room. You can put the cereal shelf even higher. A lot of upgrades in this home, from the counters to the flooring. This isn't laminate. This is actually industrial wood flooring, hardwood flooring. Kitchen, we have gas range. The The dual oven here is electric, but this is just beautiful. Dishwasher. This farm kitchen sink, that was also an upgrade as well. All right, we're gonna go out here now. And these sliding glass doors are just wonderful. The 4-panel sliding glass doors, it's wonderful to have. I really like it because, I mean, it gives you this ability to not just open up a door or slide 2 sides open, but when you open it up, you have the full width of it, and it's so great. It looks so beautiful, not just in pictures, but it's great to have if you're entertaining, if you can go in and out. And this is the beauty about Florida, you know. And now this area, it is set up. Now you have this patio here. It is set up right now, as you can see here. The plumbing for the outdoor kitchen is there. The gas for either a grill or a cooktop and a fireplace are already there. It's ready to go. That was actually an upgraded fan. And then the sprinkler system in the backyard is already set up to where if you wanted to put in a pool, boom, it's ready to go. All right, so what I'm gonna do next, normally I do one floor than the next. I'm gonna end with the main bedroom. We're gonna go upstairs to bedroom number 3. And this, the Willow 2, this is the add-on portion. This is the difference between Willow 1 and Willow 2 in the models in this neighborhood. You see here, you come in. This could be used as, say you had kids and you want to have one kid here, one kid here, but it's really set up more so as this is a loft entertaining upstairs living area, but someone could use this technically as a bedroom. And then this is actually the bedroom up here. And this does have a split system. So you see up here, we have a thermostat here, and then there's one downstairs as well. The air handler, normally in the attic, but in this model, it'll be in this massive walk-in closet. So go ahead and head on in there. Now the 12-foot ceilings do not translate to upstairs, but there is still significant room in this walk-in closet. Again, behind these doors, in case you have it on mute, is the air handler, carrier system. And into bathroom, again, standing shower. And beautiful stone throughout with linen closet inside. So this could actually be partitioned as almost as an in-law suite if you wanted to have someone that's younger that could make the trek up the stairs. But again, one of my favorite models in this neighborhood. And when you see this, you could tell why it's won awards for design. All right, so we're gonna head into, again, there's some motion sensor lights. So we're heading into the main bedroom. Good sized bedroom. Again, 4-panel sliding doors. These open up to the patio the same way that the ones in the living and kitchen entertaining area does. Looks out over the backyard to dueling windows here. Head on into the ensuite bathroom. This is not a mirror that I have in my home, but it is wonderful. His and her sink, his and her mirrors there as well. And this was custom set up here as well. And I know a lot of us always think about, oh, what if I had an outlet near the toilet? Because being on your phone and on the toilet's a thing. Also, it is set up plumbing wise to have a bidet. And walk in, 0 step up shower. And again, this is one with the his and her head and a bench. The window is actually an upgrade too. It's normally just a tall window like this. So that was the, I know a lot of people like this view with the tub. There's beautiful tubs in here. And now we head to the closet. California building closets are wonderful. And down here with the 12-foot ceilings, this here is the stairway is there. So you can see this closet. And here's my friend here, a pocket door. This pocket door opens into the laundry area. So this is one ingenious planning of this, having the laundry near the main bedroom, but not in the main bedroom, with access to the main part of the house, but not really where you're entertaining. It has a sink, countertop. They actually have a cutout space here, which was actually something that they asked to custom do. So you could slide your hamper in there. Upgraded cabinets in here as well. But this is so amazing. Great idea to have this connected. Great use of space. And then there's a 2-car garage. Good sized garage out here. Exit to outside, and then that's actually a small storage space as well. If you have any questions about this home or any others in this neighborhood or anything in Central Florida, the Villages, Ocala, give me a call, 352-403-3730. Online at mattlongrealtor.com. Everywhere on social media at mattlongrealtor. Be sure to like, subscribe, heart, thumbs up, share, turn on the little bell so you get all of my updates. Love to help you out in any way that I can.